Good morning, Dr. Mazek. This is Tara Gady in your physiological psychology course, Psych 4353, and I would like to inform you about the supplies that I've got pulled together for my dissection of week 7 of the sheep's brain. So I have my gloves, I have my scalpel, I have my scissors, I have 2 probes, and then I've got, of course, a small ruler and some tweezers and some pins, and of course I have my sheep's brain, and it is small. You're correct. It is kind of small. I have a flat surface, and I believe I'm in a good lighted area, so if that's not the case, please let me know. This is the information and everything that I have for the dissection coming up in week 7. I thank you for your time.